tinsel. Velma's reading ghostly clues. Woo! Daphne's in danger
Again.
Shaggy's like, zoinks, I'm gonna lose.
Scooby sniffing out the mince pies, tail wagging to the beat.
There's a ghost in a Santa mask, stealing all the Christmas trees. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where's my Christmas scoop? There's a phantom stealing presents from the room. Better run, better hide, better solve this spooky groove. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, have a Scooby Christmas dude.
The ghost rides a hover snowboard, laughing ho, 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 ho. Chases Shaggy and Scoob through the chimney,
Right into a candy avalanche block. Velma yanks the mask, it's old man Jenkins in a red velvet suit.
he wanted the lodge for himself and the buffet absolute.
Fred, let's split up, gang.
Dinkies!
I'm Bane again. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Scooby-Dooby-Doo, save the Christmas scoop. Caught the ghost in a gift wrap trap. Now the presents are all good. Roll, roll past the Scooby snacks. Let's party by the firelight. Merry Christmas Mystery Inc. We solved it one more night. Merry Christmas to you. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Merry Christmas to you.